Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jayashree, Assistant Professor of Botany from SK Government Girls College Seeker. Today we are going to study diversity in leaves on the basis of leaf apex. We already studied diversity in leaves on different aspects like leaf base, petiole, stipules, and many more. So today we are going to study diversity in leaves on the basis of leaf apex. Leaf apex is basically tip of lamina. Lamina tip is leaf apex. We already discussed in the general structure of leaf. What is leaf lamina, leaf apex, and what are the stalk-like structure called petiole and stipules and many more. So leaf are produced on node of a stem. So here we are discussed different type of leaf tips or leaf apex. First is acute leaf tip. Here both margins of lamina meet to make an angle less than 90 degree. Acute is basically an angle less than 90 degree. So the tip is called as acute tip because both the margins meet at the tip and form an angle less than 90 degree. So this kind of tip found in Hibiscus roja sinensis. Next is acuminate. Apex is tapering to the prolonged point. Here the apex is tapered to the prolonged point. Here we can clearly see the leaf tip is too long. So this kind of tip is found in Ficus religiosa. In common language we called it as a peepal. So everyone have seen the leaf of a peepal. So here you can clearly see this kind of tip called as acuminate found in Ficus religiosa. Next kind of tip is cirrhose. Here apex end like a curled thread like appendages. Here we can clearly see the apex is curled in a thread like structure called as cirrhose found in glory lily. Up next is another kind of tip is cuspidate. Here apex is somewhat abruptly and sharply concavely constructed into an elongated sharp pointed tip. Here we can clearly see the tip is very much pointed, sharply pointed. This kind of leaf tip is found in date palm, screw pine, pineapple. So we can clearly see even this is quite tough leaves having such kind of tip. Emarginate, shallow notch is present at the apex. Here the margin is shallow and form an notch. So this kind of found in Bohenia. In local language we can also call it as kachnar. So in Bohenia tree, if you get a chance to see leaves, it is clearly like that. The shallow notch is formed at the apex. Both the margins bend inward and form a notch-like structure. Then is mucronate, when short sharp point present at the apex. Here a short sharp point. The leaf is almost elliptical here, but we can see at the top of the tip a sharp point is there. So this is called as mucronate found in Ixora. And the next kind is obtuse. Apex is blunt. Here the leaf apex is blunt or rounded at the end. Both margin of the lamina make an angle of more than 90 degree. So first kind of leaf tip we studied back is acute, means make an angle less than 90 degree. Here is obtuse, means make an angle more than 90 degree. So this kind of Ficus bengalensis, in local language we called it as a bargad or banyan tree. Up next is retuse. Apex is obtuse with the slight depression. Here they form an angle which is more than 90 degree, but the tip has slight inward bending and form a notch-like structure in the middle. This kind of leaf tip is found in water lettuce, pistia. Then truncate, when the apex appear nearly quite straight across. Here the apex is almost straight, found in Paris polyphylla. Next, here all the tips, leaf tip, different type of leaf tips are covered. Next is diversity of leaves on the basis of leaf margins. So here what we studied is different type of margins. Margins is, this is called as margin, lamina, margin. First is entire, means the margin is continuous and smooth. There is no incisions, the margin is completely smooth throughout. So this kind of margin is found in Ficus bengalensis and banana. Next is undulate. Margins are slowly, gradually wavy and rapine. Here the margins are wavy, they form waves. This kind of leaves are found in Polyalthia and Saraca ashoka. Next is crenate. Leaf margins are slowly rounded or obtusely toothed. Here the leaf margins are shallowly rounded, not complete rounded, form a shallow rounds. So this kind of leaves you can clearly see if you see bryophyllum. We can also call it as patthar chatta. So a leaf of bryophyllum show this kind of margins. Next is dentate. Here leaf margins are sharp, spreading, rather coarse teeth that are perpendicular to the margins. Here we can clearly see the margins are sharp and the teeth that are perpendicular. Here they can form teeth. This kind of leaves margins found in cucurbita leaf. जितने भी कुकरबिटा फैमिली है, कुकरबिटेसी फैमिली है, उसमें मोस्टली ये वाली लीव्स आपको देखने को मिल जाती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज सिरेट. Margins have sharp teeth pointing forward like a saw. Margins have sharp teeth. So this is the serrate margin found in China, rose and rose. Next is lobed. Margins have lobes which extend up to the middle of the ribs. Here the margins form a lobe-like structure. If you got a chance to see a brassica plant, this kind of lobes are clearly visible. So this kind of leaves found in Brassica campestris and Raphanus sativus. Muli leaves also have such kind of lobes. Up next is parted. Margins are divided by sinuses extend nearly to the midrib. So these are clearly divided and extend up to the midrib, but not to the midrib. It is up to the midrib. This kind of found in prickly and poppy plant में. Thank you.